Hey there, fellow e-commerce enthusiasts. I'm excited to introduce you to Baseline, our game-changing Grow Team Sections Shopify app. As someone who's been in the trenches of e-commerce for years, I can't wait to show you how this app can transform your store's conversions and user experience. At Skuology, we've poured over 20 years of e-commerce conversion rate optimization and web design expertise into Baseline. We've seen it all, and now we're here to share our knowledge with you. Target audience. Whether you're just starting your Shopify journey or you're a seasoned pro, Baseline is designed with you in mind. We've created this app to be incredibly user-friendly, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you can still reap the benefits of advanced grow techniques. Now let's talk about conversion rate optimization. It's the expertise that you can turn your store from good to great. Grow is all about making your website work harder for you, turning more of your visitors into customers. I know firsthand the challenges that come with running a Shopify store. It's a lot, and that's where Baseline comes in. Baseline overview. Baseline isn't just another app, it's a complete web design framework tailored specifically for e-commerce. We've democratized e-commerce solutions, taking the guesswork out of copy, design, and optimization. So what sets us apart? We've built Baseline on insights from over 70 e-commerce projects and brands. That's a wealth of real-world data, and we've distilled it into one powerful app. Key features? Let me walk you through some of Baseline's standout features. First, we've got pre-built optimized sections. These aren't just any sections, they are battle-tested designs that we know convert. Next, our data-driven content structure. This is the same page structure we use for our high-performing clients, and these are available now at your fingertips. And the best part, Baseline plays nice with various Shopify teams. No need to overhaul your entire store. We work with what you got. Benefits. So what does this mean for you? Well, imagine seeing improved conversion rates from day one. That's not just a pipe dream, it's what our users experience. You'll save time and money. No more endless tweaking or expensive consultants. Baseline gives you professional-looking results without needing a computer science degree. How Baseline works. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how Baseline works. Integrating with your Shopify store is a breeze. Our user interface is intuitive, designed with you in mind. And don't worry, we offer plenty of customization options to make sure Baseline fits your unique brand. Data-driven approach. Remember when I mentioned our insights from 70 e-commerce projects? Well, that translates to over 100 million in revenue that our clients generated with our help. We run hundreds of A/B tests to figure out what works and what doesn't. But we don't rest here. We are constantly improving Baseline based on user data, and your success is our success after all. Design principles. At the heart of Baseline are solid UX/UI best practices. We've incorporated principles like persuasion signals for copy, client objection sections, optimized flow of copy, and structure. These aren't just pretty designs, they're conversion machines where each element was thought through and is there for a specific goal. I've seen firsthand how these principles can increase conversions. Most of our clients saw a 20 to 50% increase in their conversion rate just by implementing our optimized product page layout. Our record so far was 121%, and one of our own store converts at a store-wide average of 5 to 6%. Implementing Baseline. Now let's talk about how you can start using Baseline. The installation process is straightforward, a few clicks in the Shopify App Store and you're good to go. Once installed, you'll find our features neatly organized and easy to navigate. My advice? Start with our free sections and then gradually explore our more advanced ones. Need help? Join our free community where we fully support our users. Customization options. While our templates are great out of the box, I know how important it is to maintain your brand identity. That's why we've built in plenty of customization options. You can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand perfectly. The key is to find the sweet spot between optimization and branding. I always tell store owners to keep their core brand elements while leveraging our conversion optimized layouts. Measuring success. Measuring your success is crafted around our commitment to regularly introducing new sections and updating our optimization framework. Don't be afraid to dive into your store's data. It's your roadmap to continual improvement. If something's not working, tweak it. That's the beauty of Baseline. You're always in control, and feel free to do A/B tests for yourself. Continuous updates. We leverage extensive A/B testing conducted both on our websites and our store clients' websites to refine Baseline's features. These insights allow us to optimize continuously and enhance the user experience and conversion potential of your store. Custom feedback loop. We understand the power of user feedback in shaping a truly useful product. That's why we encourage you to share your experiences and results. This feedback is crucial for our ongoing refinement process, ensuring that Baseline not only meets but exceeds your e-commerce needs. Next steps. Ready to give Baseline a try? Head over to Shopify App Store and install Baseline today. It's free. And if you want to dive in deeper, consider joining Skuology. We offer additional support, tools, and resources to help you make the most of Baseline for your store's growth. Don't forget to check our socials, as we're always sharing new tips and tricks to help you succeed in the e-commerce world. And remember, in the face-based world of e-commerce, standing still is moving backwards. So with Baseline, you're always moving forward. Let's revolutionize your Shopify store together, and let's democratize e-commerce.